Happy Teachers Day! 教师节快乐
Happy Teachers Day to Mr. Hu!
Hello teachers, thank you so much for all that you have done for us. We really appreciate it. Happy Teachers Day.
Happy Teachers Day.
Happy Teachers Day, Miss Hua.
Hey, happy Teachers Day.
We love you, Mr. Jeffrey Goh.
Happy Teachers Day!
Happy Teachers Day.
Happy Teachers Day!
I would like to thank Miss Chen for being such a wonderful math teacher. Happy Teachers Day.
Happy Teachers Day to all teachers.
I want to thank Mr. Daniel Yong for being such a awesome form teacher, and other teachers such as Mr. Thomas Aldrin, who's always there for us.
Happy Teachers Day.
Happy Teachers Day! Happy Teachers Day!
Happy Teachers Day.
Happy Teachers Day!
Happy Teachers Day. Thank you, Miss Yu.
Madam
Mr. Ong.
Mr. Ya.
On behalf of St. John's, Happy Teachers Day. To all our beloved teachers, Happy Teachers Day. 教师节快乐。Mr. Mr. Wee, and I wish you Happy Teachers Day. Happy Day.
On behalf of the Wusu team, I wish everybody a Happy Teachers Day!
On behalf of 3A, to Miss Chan, all subject teachers.
Happy Teachers Day. Thank you, Mr. Lee, Mr. Steve, Mr. Sun, and Happy Teachers Day.
Hi teachers.
Hi, Mr. Leong.
Hi Miss Deborah. Hi Mr. Everton.
Hi, Mrs. Tretan.
Happy
Teachers Day.
My friends in New York, I say hello. My friends in LA, they don't know where I've been for the past few years or so. Paris to China to Colorado.
Sometimes there's airplanes I can't jump out. Sometimes there's things that just don't work out. We've got our stories, but please tell me.
Hey!